Video. I saw it.
Oh, okay. That's what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll come and make a video with you.
It's okay.
Okay, that's you, right?
Oh,
Okay. There you go. Raymond is working on the boiler.
Yes.
And he's gonna take out the manhole. Manhole, he took it out. Now he's gonna take out the handhole. See, be careful, eh?
Yeah. Gotta hold the stem so it won't drop.
Oh, you got it out? Okay, put together.
More.
One more. Don't drop it. Okay, now you get the hose and start like where the hand holes were. Start washing it, rinse it. Yeah, yeah. So that way you can clean the bottom and everything, eh?
Oh, it will. What?
Oh yeah, it's gonna come there now.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it will be messy.
Yeah.
So you want more video or that's enough?
That's enough. Thank you.
Okay. So Raymond is doing rinsing the water side of the boiler. He's gonna clean it. And then later on we'll do the fire side. Where the burners are and everything. That's the front of the boiler. We took the burner off. The burner is off. That motor is there. That's the control, turning on and off. That's the condensate tank. All the water is coming there, condensate. There's a compressor in the back. Alrighty, let's see where's Raymond.